A controversial opinion for some reason, but Model A production did not stop on December 31st, 1931. Ford continued to produce Model A's and AA's well into 1932, and in one case, 1934. We've already touched on this topic in our video on the last Model A, but let's get into the nitty-gritty of how many of each Model A passenger car were built in 1932. We don't have photos of these 1932 cars, so we'll use some older ones to give you a visual. Do you own a 1932 Model A? Let us know in the comments. The taxi cab could be considered the rarest 1932 Model A passenger car. Only one example was built in Istanbul, Turkey. This was a 1929 body that was languishing in a warehouse that eventually found a chassis in 1932. The 400A convertible sedan is a rare and desirable car, and there's a good chance one of the ones floating around today was one of the 21 assembled in the early part of 1932. The deluxe two-door saw 28 of the dressed-up two-door being produced. 79 sport coupes were assembled worldwide in the post-1931 Model A world. Another dressed-up body style was the deluxe coupe. In 1932 saw 94 of them assembled and shipped to a dealer. The standard coupe had a larger assembly total, with 133 of the two-seaters coming off the assembly lines. The deluxe four-door was the steel-back sedan, and 202 of the slant windshield blindbacks found their way to dealers. The deluxe roadster helped Ford domestically when it was introduced in the summer of 1930, and 212 of these upgraded two-seaters were built in 1932. Ford's Cabriolet was a great-looking car, especially with the slanting windshield. Enough so that 214 of these cars were built in the early months of 1932. The low and attractive deluxe Phaeton saw 224 examples built in 32 as well. Maybe you could call the Victoria the closed car version of the deluxe Phaeton, and it saw 292 versions rolling off of assembly lines. 493 standard roadsters were built post-1931, and every one of them was built in a foreign plant. The standard four-door was the cheapest sedan option, and with 647 assembled in 1932, it had a decent run. The Town sedan is the first 1932 Model A to break 1,000 units built, and with 1,079 of the high-class sedan assembled, it was evidently still in demand. For the first year ever, the Model A two-door was not the most produced Model A body style. Its 5-year run came to an end with 1,162 cars, making it the second most produced Model A in 1932. The Phaeton, the car most reminiscent of the classic Model T touring car, was still around in 1932, and its numbers made it the most produced Model A that year. 1,564 of the four-door convertible came off the various Ford assembly lines that year. But it didn't stop there. Ford production records show that 16 were assembled in 1933, and 160 were built in 1934, and all of those at the Santiago, Chile plant. Most U.S. assembly plants ceased Model A car production by February of 1932, although some continued to produce commercial vehicles for a few more months. Most of the 1932 production came from overseas plants. Still, 6,445 Model A's were produced worldwide in 1932. Mirroring the slow start to a Model A production in 1927, it slowly rolled to a stop in 1932. Do you own any of these 1932 Model A's? Let us know. And as always, we hope you continue to enjoy a Model A.